Industrial crushers are specially designed to process old cars and other solid materials, converting them into granules or slurry. Cars are crushed by blades and with great crushing force. The metal pieces after grinding are usually separated and collected for separate recycling. This machine is uniquely designed specifically to handle large and difficult stumps quickly and simply effectively. This lawn mower is truly a versatile and effective tool. Ability to move on all terrain, including rough mountainous terrain. The remote control system is a convenient feature, allowing users to control the lawn mower remotely easily and conveniently. When faced with tall, dense grass, this lawn mower does not hesitate. Sharp blades and powerful motor help the machine cut down plants quickly. Equipped with sharp blades, this rice cutting machine is capable of cutting rice quickly and accurately, saving farmers time and effort. This orange harvester is not just a regular agricultural equipment, but also a creative innovation in the agricultural industry. Thanks to this machine, orange harvesting has become easier, helping farmers save time and effort, but also optimizing harvesting efficiency and product quality. The corn harvester is a very modern machine that is essential in today's agricultural industry. The machine is equipped with automatic cutting systems, helping it recognize and harvest corn accurately and evenly, without omission or damage. The D9R bulldozer, with its power and precision, is demonstrating its impressive ability in clearing trees to make way for construction projects. With powerful wings and efficient engines, this pesticide sprayer can cover a wide area of the field quickly and effectively. The precision of aircraft spraying helps farmers save resources and reduce waste, while protecting their own health. Processing used cars at this factory is an efficient and convenient process. where it will be processed into new raw materials or recycled products. The process involves using a powerful crane to lift and move the car to the press. Here, through just a few flexible and precise operations, the car becomes a rectangular piece of iron, ready for the recycling process. Finally, using a powerful magnet, they pick up the lump of iron and move it to the next recycling area.
Stack the tires in here. We're going to take special caution, put them into the corner.
This machine is truly an innovative and effective solution for processing old unused car tires to avoid wasting factory space. First, the old car tires were neatly placed by the technician inside the machine.
Dropping tires in.
Then they close the machine and press the button to compress the car tires, making them neat and easy to store or transport. Once a large number of tires have been compacted, talented technicians continue to place more tires into the machine.
Push the machine in. Actually, hold the machine, slowly open the door.
And this is the result after compacting the car tires and the technician inserting the straps.
Screw back together. Used to eject the valve. That's good. That's good. All right.
The end result is old car tires tied tightly with ties, forming a neat rectangular block that is easy to transport and handle. This machine is not only convenient but also an effective solution for removing trash, dry leaves and other unwanted items from grass verges. With its flexibility and adaptability to all types of ground, this grass verge cleaning machine is a reliable companion for farmers here.